So now we will do our setup in the Nginx on the server to only make it work for this domain. For that, we will first go to etc Nginx sites enable. We will remove this symlink. Because we don't need it. Oh, we have to do it with sudo. Okay. We will go to sites available. And this is our default file. Now here we will create a new file for our domain. We will go back to sites enabled and we will create the symlink here. To create this symlink, we need to actually know the path of the file, and we will just go back here and we will just say pwd and it will show us the full path. So go back, sites enabled. Here we will create the symlink. This is the folder path and then our file name, and if we say dot here, it will create the path here of the file. We have to do it with sudo. Okay, now the symlink is created. Now we will sudo nano, we will go inside the file and we will just add basic settings, which is server listen to port 80, server name is our domain name, and root path is where your starting point of your website. At the moment we will just put it where the Nginx default file is, and later on we will change these. So we save this, we just restart Nginx once, service sudo service Nginx restart. Okay, let's see if it's working or it's not working. Alright, so it's still working, but now not any website can be linked to our Nginx. Only the sites we will put in here will have permission to be linked. So now the next step is we want to also make this website, this domain, work with the SSL certificate. It is at the moment not secure, and in most of the countries, when the domain is not secure, it is not working with HTTPS. In that case, the sites are blocked. So the next step is we will install SSL certificate on our server, and we will just generate one certificate for our domain.